Looking for precise and reliable digital calipers that can handle anything from DIY projects to industrial tasks? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best digital calipers you can get your hands on right now, from budget-friendly picks to professional-grade tools. Let's get into it. At number 5, we have the Stonego Digital Caliper. The Stonego Digital Caliper is a versatile and reliable tool designed to meet the demands of various industrial and automotive applications. Crafted from hardened stainless steel, this electronic digital caliper ensures durability and long-lasting performance, making it an ideal choice for professionals who require precision in their measurements. This caliper excels in its ability to measure a wide range of dimensions. Whether you're measuring internal, external, or height dimensions, the Stonego Digital Caliper offers accurate and easy-to-read results. The zero setting function allows for measurements to be reset at any position, providing greater flexibility and ease of use. One of the key features of the Stonego Digital Caliper is its base measuring function, which supports inside, outside, depth, and step measurements. This makes it a comprehensive tool capable of handling various measurement tasks with precision. The large LCD display further enhances the user experience by ensuring that measurements are clear and easy to read, even in low-light environments. Ideal for both industrial and automotive settings, the Stonego Digital Caliper can handle a wide array of applications, from simple measurements to more complex tasks requiring high accuracy. Whether used for routine checks or detailed projects, it offers the reliability and precision that professionals in these fields rely on. With its sturdy construction and user-friendly features, the Stonego Digital Caliper is a must-have tool for those seeking a dependable and precise measuring instrument. Next up, at number 4, we have the Wanhenda Digital Caliper. The Wanhenda Digital Caliper offers precision and convenience for professionals and hobbyists alike. Made with a durable stainless steel metal ruler body, this caliper is built to withstand regular use while maintaining accuracy in measurements. It features a clear, easy-to-read LCD display that ensures quick readings, making it ideal for various applications, including engineering, machining, and DIY projects. One of the standout features of the Wanhenda Digital Caliper is its one-button conversion between millimeters and inches, allowing users to switch between metric and imperial units effortlessly. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of tasks, whether working with measurements in the metric system or imperial units. The caliper also includes a one-click reset function that brings the device back to zero instantly, ensuring that measurements are consistently accurate, even if the caliper is moved or readjusted. This feature enhances the efficiency of your work and eliminates any unnecessary recalculations. Another key benefit is the backlit LCD screen, which provides clear visibility even in low-light conditions. Whether you're working in dimly lit spaces or need to take measurements in the dark, the backlight ensures that the display remains easy to read. The Wanhenda Digital Caliper is powered by a button battery, which ensures long-lasting performance without the need for frequent replacements. Its compact design and reliable features make it an excellent tool for anyone seeking precision in their measurements, whether in a workshop or at home. Taking the third spot is the Zuidid Digital Caliper. The Zuidid Digital Caliper is a versatile measuring tool designed for precision and durability. Built with an IP54 waterproof and dust-proof rating, it offers enhanced protection against water, dust, and oil stains. This makes it an ideal choice for various environments where exposure to moisture or debris could be a concern. One of the standout features of the Zuidid Digital Caliper is its dual measurement system. With the press of a button, users can easily switch between metric and imperial units, allowing for seamless conversions and ensuring accuracy in different measurement systems. The caliper comes in 3 distinct styles, each offering unique features to suit various preferences. The construction combines stainless steel and IP54 rated zinc alloy, contributing to the tool's durability and resistance to wear and tear. Additionally, the backlit night vision screen ensures easy readability even in low-light conditions, making it suitable for use in diverse settings. A practical nut lock mechanism allows users to secure their measurements, preventing data from shifting during use. This ensures consistent and reliable results for any project. The large digital display screen is designed for fast and clear reading. With an accuracy of 0.0 nm, the caliper provides highly precise measurements, making it ideal for tasks that require fine details. The Zuidid digital caliper offers 4 different ways to use, making it versatile and suitable for a wide range of applications, from mechanical work to woodworking and beyond. Whether you're a professional or DIY enthusiast, this caliper is built to meet your needs with convenience and reliability. Coming in at number 2 is the Mitutoyo digital caliper. The Mitutoyo digital caliper is a highly reliable and precise measuring tool designed for a range of applications that require accurate measurements. Constructed from hardened stainless steel, this caliper offers a robust and durable design, ensuring long-lasting performance even in demanding conditions. The tool supports 4-way measurements, enabling users to measure outer diameter, inner diameter, depth, and step with ease, making it highly versatile for various tasks. One of the standout features of the Mitutoyo digital caliper is its ability to switch between inches and metric measurements with a simple press of the inch and metric button. This makes it convenient for users who work with both measurement systems, offering flexibility for international or multi-system work environments. Additionally, the zero-labs button allows users to display the absolute coordinate or true position from the origin point, further enhancing its accuracy. The caliper's large and clear LCD display ensures easy reading, even in low-light conditions. It is designed with an 0-digit high-precision LCD large screen that guarantees fast, accurate measurement and easy identification of readings. The fine grinding of the measuring surface ensures smooth operation, and the wear-resistant claw made from imported carbon steel offers high flatness and corrosion resistance. This contributes to the overall precision of the caliper, helping reduce errors in measurements. Supplied in a fitted plastic case, the Mitutoyo digital caliper is well protected during storage and transport, ensuring that it remains in excellent condition. The stability of measurement is further enhanced by tightened screws and smooth roller pulling, making it an ideal choice for professionals who require consistent and reliable results. Whether for industrial, engineering, or personal use, this digital caliper delivers improved measurement accuracy and ease of use. And finally, our top pick, the Syntek JS108F digital caliper. The Syntek JS108F digital caliper is designed for precision and durability, making it an essential tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. With a strict quality control process and verification from measurement institutes, this caliper guarantees an impressive accuracy of 0.0 nm, ensuring reliable and consistent measurements. Crafted with advanced German technology, the Syntek JS108F features a high-performance glass fixed grid that minimizes environmental interference, providing accurate data regardless of external conditions. The claw surface is designed with high parallelism and lateral chamfering, ensuring smooth handling without sharp edges, which enhances the user experience during measurements. The caliper's body is built to last, with a thickened 3.5mm stainless steel rule that boasts high body hardness. This construction offers excellent corrosion resistance, wear resistance, and long-term durability, making it a dependable tool for extended use. Additionally, the Syntek JS108F is rated with Level 5 dustproof and Level 4 waterproof, meaning it can withstand harsh environments and maintain its functionality even in tough conditions. One of its standout features is the LCD full-screen display technology. The larger numbers on the screen are easier to read, improving visibility and accuracy during use. The high permeability mirror is both scratch-resistant and wear-resistant, ensuring the display remains clear for a long time. Overall, the Syntek JS108F digital caliper combines advanced technology, robust construction, and practical features to deliver reliable performance in a wide range of environments.